please, Mummy. Can I have some sweets?
Trotro, can't you hear your little teeth saying, save us, no more sweets, no more sweets?
Maybe, but my little tummy is saying, sweeties, yum!
OK, Trotro, I'll let you have one.
Yippee! That one there. No, maybe the yellow one. No, the biggest one. Thank you, Mummy. Ha! I love sweets. But I eat them too fast. Luckily, I now know where they are hidden. I don't know which one to choose. Maybe this time I'll have 2 of them. I've got an idea. I'm going to try one of each different colour. That is the only way I will know which one I like the most. The strawberry one's delicious. And these yellow ones are yummy too. I love them all.
Trotro, Lily's here.
Coming! Hello, Lily!
Hello, Trotro. Oh. Uh-huh. Oh, you greedy little thing, Trotro.
I've got a surprise for you, Lily. Here.
Oh, thank you, Trotro. I love sweets.
Shall we play tag?
Tag, you're it. Food's ready, Trotro.
I don't think I'm very hungry, Mummy.
Here, have some spinach. It smells great.
Spinach? But I've got a tummy ache, Mummy.
Well, maybe it's your naughty little stomach telling you you've eaten too many sweets.
No, I think it's my little tummy telling me that it doesn't like spinach. Daddy's back from the market. Hello, Daddy.
Hello, Trotro.
I'll carry the basket. I'll carry the basket.
Oh, no, my little Trotro. It's much, much too heavy for you. On the other hand, I think you could manage one of these.
Oh, a lolly. Thank you, Daddy.
You can eat that after lunch, Trotro.
Here, these are for you.
Oh, thank you. They smell great. That's very kind of you. Mwah.
Oh, Mummy is very happy now. Oh! I've got an idea. What if I give Zoe a bouquet? I'm sure she will be just as happy as my Mummy. Now I just have to find some really pretty flowers for Zoe. Ah, here we are. Now, little Daisy, you are the first flower in my bouquet. And you smell great. And next, a pretty poppy for the bouquet. Oh, yes, a little leaf. Come on, I need you too. Hey, Lily has forgotten her spade. That's also very pretty. I'm going to use that too. Ah. And what else can I include in my bouquet? Let's see. That. That little brush would go really well. Oh, the feather duster. I know what will make my beautiful bouquet even bigger. I'm sorry, Teddy, but this is very important. There we are, the most beautiful of bouquets. Ah, how shall I tie it? Let's look in here. No, it's too big. No, not that either. That isn't very pretty. Oh, here we are. This is lovely. There we go. Zoe is going to be so happy. Hello, Zoe.
Hello, Trotro. What are you hiding behind your back?
Here, Zoe, they're for you.
For me? It's a really beautiful bouquet, Trotro. I'm going to keep it for the rest of my life. Thank you very much.
And do you want to keep the lolly for the rest of your life as well?
I'm going to make a cake, Trotro.
Can I make one too, Mummy?
That's a good idea, Trotro.
To make a cake, we need flour, and we also need some eggs. Oh!
Be careful, Trotro. There's only 2 left.
Oh, it's not easy breaking eggs. Well done, Trotro! To make a cake, we also need sugar. A little bit, not a lot, but not too much, Trotro. Nice and slow. I'm making some dough.
Here you are, Trotro. Here's the rolling pin.
And roll, little rolling pin, roll and roll. Make some holes, make some holes. It'll be even quicker with 2 forks. Tick, 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 tick. Now I'm going to put lots of yummy things into the cake, like tomato sauce. I'll need a lot of that. Grated cheese. Look, it's raining cheese! There we are. My cake is ready.
Don't touch the oven, Trotro. It's very hot.
Mummy has put my cake in the oven right next to hers. That already smells great. Ah. Mummy, my cake is cooked.
Here we are, a lovely cake made by Trotro.
Daddy can be the first person to try it.
Thank you. Well, it certainly looks good. About your cake, Trotro, it's not really a cake. It's a pizza. A very good pizza.
Yes, it's Trotro's pizza.
Let's have a tea party.
Oh. Oh. Can you help me, Lily?
Come on, Trotro. It'd be better to have our tea party under the tree.
I'm going to have some chocolate.
Let's share it. Chocolate with bread is really good.
Oh no! It's all melted.
That's normal. Chocolate always melts when it gets hot.
It's very nice even when it has melted. But it's very sticky.
Here you are. Wipe your hands, Trotro.
I'm still hungry. Aren't you, Lily?
I've got some strawberry cakes.
Ah, these are nice. Oh, it's a bee! Don't move, Lily. Don't worry, bees always prefer strawberry cakes to little girls.
Oh, thank you, Trotro. You saved me. Mwah.
Oh, I'm thirsty now.
But I've only got one fruit juice.
But I have 2 straws. It's really fun having a tea party on the grass. Oh no! It's raining! Our tea is ruined!
We're going to get all wet.
Quick, hurry! Come under the tablecloth, Lily!
Would you like some cakes?
Thank you, Mummy. It's really nice to have tea at home. Oh, some lovely raspberries. That hurts. But it tastes really sweet in my mouth. This raspberry is really ripe. It's as sweet as a cake. A cake! Yes! Mummy, can we make a nice raspberry cake?
That's a good idea. I'll make a start.
And I'll go and pick lots of raspberries. Gently does it. Oh, I think you're too squashed to be on the cake. Oh, now that one there is lovely. I think you're too big to go on the cake. Hup. There are so many. I can have a few more. Yummy, yum, yum. They're so tasty. Oh dear! My basket is empty and I have eaten nearly all of them. Luckily, there are still some left. My basket is full now. I've certainly picked a lot. Oh! Oh, my lovely raspberries. They're also good when they're squashed. Oh, what am I going to do? There's none left to pick now. Whew, there's one left. Oh no, my raspberry! Give me my raspberry! I saw it first! No, bird, come back, that's my raspberry! Oh, there are some plums. I'll put those in my basket instead. Mummy, do you like, plum cake?
Yes, and it's just as nice as raspberry cake.
Thanks, Mummy. My cake is going to be the best plum cake ever.
Trotro, it's lunchtime.
But I'm playing, Mummy.
Hurry up, it's getting cold. Here, Trotro.
Oh, no. I don't like fish. I can't eat all of that. I know. I'll hide it. Yeah. Where shall I put it? I know, under the plate. Oh no, you can see it. And that doesn't work. Yuck. Neither does that.
Finished, Trotro?
I've got an idea. Mummy, I finished.
What a good boy, Trotro. I'll go and get your cake now. Put your napkin back on, though.
Oh, what am I going to do?
There, Trotro, here's your cake.
Yum, yum. I finished, Mummy. I'm off to play. Oh. Lily, Zoe, hello. I like your balloon, Lily.
Come on, let's run around with it. Oh, my balloon!
Oh, it's blown away.
Oh, my balloon! It's gone!
Don't cry, Lily. Wait, have my hanky.
Ah! Huh? Well done, Trotro! What a great magic trick! Well done!
Trotro the magician, thanks both of you. Wow, boo, boo. I'm a little monster. Wow. Oh. Boo! I am the strongest of the little monsters. Wow! Wow! I've got an idea.
And there we are, my pretty castle.
Boo!
Stop me, Trotro!
I am the little monster. Growl!
And you broke my castle as well. You are naughty.
Of course I am. I am the naughtiest of the little monsters. Boo! It's me, the nastiest of the little monsters.
And I know a nasty little monster who won't have any cake if his mummy runs out of eggs.
Monsters don't eat cakes. Boo!
What's that?
It's me, the little monster. Grrr!
Oh, and what if I caught the little monster?
How? It's really great being a little monster. Everybody's afraid of me. Growl! Growl! Boo! Okay, who shall I scare now? Ah! A spider! Help! Mummy! Mummy! Help!
But what's the matter? Why are you so scared?
In the garden! There's a huge spider!
Oh, my little Trotro. There's nothing to be afraid of. Little animals like that don't eat little monsters.
I suppose so. Well, I don't want to be a little monster anymore, so now I can eat all the cake I want. I'm big now. I do the shopping on my own. I like going shopping. I love choosing things myself. I know exactly what we need at home. Like this. In the trolley. We need that. Hup. In the trolley. And that too. Hup. For Trotro. A blue packet and a red packet. I'll get this for Mummy. And this one for Daddy. Sometimes it's too high. I need my daddy. Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
I'm over here, Trotro. Trotro!
Oh! I couldn't see you.
I told you to stay with me, Trotro. Now don't wander off.
I like shopping with Daddy as well.
Oh dear, Trotro. Cakes, puddings, biscuits, sweeties. What's all of this? Don't you think that's a bit too much, Trotro?
It's not very much for Trotro.
Huh?
Trotro, wake up. Hurry up and get washed.
I hate washing. It's always too cold at the start. Or freezing. But once you start, it's good fun. First my hands. That's okay. Then we wash our face. We brush our hair. And finally, our teeth. You have to brush up and down. I love raspberry-flavoured toothpaste. Lovely white teeth. You are handsome, Trotro.
Oh, you are handsome, Trotro. Trotro, have you finished?
Yes.
Dear Trotro, you're all dirty. Hurry up and get washed.
But I've already done it.
Well, I think you had better start again.
Have to start again? I hate washing. It's always too cold at the start. But once you do start, it's good fun. First, my hands, that's okay. Then we wash our face. It's freezing. We brush our hair. And finally, our teeth. I love raspberry-flavoured toothpaste. You are handsome, Trotro. Daddy! Daddy! Look, I've taken my boots off myself.
That's great. Well done, Trotro. Put them over by our boots, please.
Yes, Daddy. The big boots are Daddy's, the middle boots are Mummy's, and the little ones are Trotro's. Daddy's boots are really big. I'll try them on. Oh, goodness! Whoa! It's very difficult to walk in them. But now, I've got Daddy's feet. Hup, hup. Oh, I look really funny. And with these, I really do look like Daddy. Good morning. I am Trotro's Daddy. Oh. Good morning, Trotro. Let's see what's in the paper. So, what is the news today? It's funny pretending to be Daddy. Good morning, Mrs. Mummy.
Well, well, who's that coming into the kitchen?
I am the little Daddy.
Good morning, Mr. Little Daddy.
Little Daddy would like his toast with jam and his paper to read, please.
Good morning, Mummy and Daddy. I am the little Trotro. I'm going to give my favourite little teddy a little cuddle.
Well, here you are then, Little Daddy Trotro. Here's a lovely piece of toast with jam for you to eat.
Yum, yum. Little Daddy Trotro is going to have a real treat.
Oh, no, but I'm Trotro. That's my teddy.
OK, you're right, Trotro.
Yes, and I'm your little Trotro, and I want to stay little. And the toast with jam is for me.